kita malilimutan, hindi kita pababayaan. Nakaukit magpakailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan, paano niya matataligdan? Ngunit kahit na malimutan ng ina ang anak niyang tangan, hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di pababayaan. Hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di pababayaan.
Siksikang tulad na di ka nagsasangi at pagkadakong ayat ko. Kastan di ako ang sinsipit kanto, nawawala to.
Night when all the world is sleeping, I'd stay up and think of you. And I wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there. If you looked in my eyes, would you see what's inside?